New York state law states that every motor vehicle, if manufactured on or after January 1st, 1952, shall be equipped with at least 2 stop lamps, one on each side, each of which shall display a red to amber visible light. It is unsafe and it can cause accidents. Also, the police can give you a ticket for it. The officer can also issue a time limit into which you can get the brake light fixed and he'll waive the ticket. Alright everyone, so we've got a brake light out on our 03 WRX wagon. There are 2 plastic screws you need to remove. You don't want to break these things here. They're threaded plastic. A lot of these times, these are tough to get at. Because they, yeah. Of course, you don't want to be pushing down. Alright, got that one. So that piece will pop off. These are crusty, for sure. That came out like nothing. Let's see if this rusty guy's going to do the same thing. Yep. Man, that's awesome. Probably because it's protected with that shroud. There are 2 pins holding the light to the body. You have to push the light out.
$7,443 just happens to be the brake light for the 02 2016 Impreza, I believe.
Do a double check real quick and make sure these are correctly folded around, that you have a positive and a negative on each side. And line up the tab so it goes in, and then turn it to the right and it'll lock into place. And then you can line the tabs back up back here, push those in, 2 10 millimeters, and then we'll give her a quick test. So that's just how to change the tail light, the brake light on the 03 WRX wagon. So if you like this video, if it helped you out, smash that like button, give me a thumbs up,